Hello, it's Chris from My Stamp Lady, and I'm here to show you a preview of the brand new Stampin' Pads that Stampin' Up has designed and is going to be in the new catalog. So some of the stamps or the stamp pads that you get, like if you're ordering in the pre-order, the new in colors, you will already receive the new stamp pads. So this is what they look like. They have a larger label here and the names in the languages of the countries that Stampin' Up serves, and it is, you'll notice, compared to another stamp pad, it's slightly smaller. There's about that much of it that is less, and it looks like it has a little narrower profile. Just probably this part here because the bottom is flush. And also that the stamp pads have these little divots and then the little feet, and so that they will stack, and you can stack them up like this and store them that way. I store mine in a holder that actually kind of leaves a little space between each one so that I can grab them in and out easily. But if you have some off to the side, or you're packing or them up and traveling with them, they do stack up like this. Okay, so that's the outside. I've already done some of the stickers. This is the Call Me Clover, and this one I have not done the stickers for yet. So the stickers come on the back, and they recommend that you remove the entire sticker sheet because that way it won't get in the way of the other. Let me get that. There we go. Gotta just get it started. It won't get in the way when you're stacking them. So this just comes off the bottom. It's got sticky right on there, but it is designed to come off. So this sticker sheet has the name of the stamp set, the Call Me Clover. And then you'll notice it also has one down here that's blank. So the first one goes right on the bottom here. I'm just going to line that up. And that's where my one with, and I'm choosing English because I'm in the United States. Okay, so now to open your pad, and what I have found with these is if I put the big part of the label towards the bottom of my palm and you open it up, so there's no releasing it, it just picks up, and they keep liking it to a compact, is how it opens. So you just, there's no releasing it, you just pick it up and push it in place. There's a little space here, and that's where you'll put that blank label, and that is so that when you have your stamp pad open, you can see what color it is there. So then that just slides right down in there. Okay, so now a lot of people have been asking, what about the size of the pad? The size of the pad is actually the same size. Even though the looks a little smaller because the container is a little bit smaller, the size of the pad is actually the same size. So you have the same amount of stamping surface. When you go to close it, I have found that this is kind of key for me, and this works well for me, is if I have where this little sticker sheet is, I pull it towards myself and then flip it over. That's why I hold it upside down when I open it. It works best for me for that. Some of the stamps pads the ink pads are kind of sticky when you first get them. Sticky is not the right word. They have a tighter fit, and so they don't slide as easily. But that is good. It's there to design to keep the stamps, the ink pads, nice and wet. So what I've just done, and you saw me do that, is I took a little birthday candle, and this idea was not one that I came up with, but just take a little birthday candle and push it in there, and that will kind of wax those edges, and then they open. And after they've been opened a few times, I'm finding that they open much easier. So the trick for this, and this is one of the new colors, Blueberry Bushel, and you're seeing that after I've waxed them, I've opened them a few times, and even if you don't wax them, but just kind of work them, I bet that they will open much more quickly. So I have Call Me Clover, Grapefruit Grove, Pineapple Punch, Lovely Lipstick, and Blueberry Bushel. These are the new in colors for 2018 through 2020. If you have any questions about the ink pads, don't hesitate to contact me, Chris, at mystamplady.com. Thanks for watching.